Welcome to Perfect Level. Wow, look at those deer. Oh, he's super pissed. There we go. Back to fishing. Whoa, all right, I should make a cast. Okay, let's get moving. Oh my gosh. Basically, since the storms, I might be the first person to actually do this run. I don't know if I can get through this. Small fish. He's not big. He followed. Well, how you doing there, good sir? How you doing? First smallmouth of the day. Thank you for playing the game. Have a good life. So I would like to go ahead and give a shout out to whoever or whomever built the rapids on this run. Thanks. Those were awesome. You did a great job. Keep up the good work. There are so many trees down. I really feel like I'm the first person that has done this run since the storms. I'm less than a half mile in and there's already been like 15 trees down. I made it through most of them okay. If the water drops very much more, you're not going to be able to make it. Somebody with a chainsaw, please help. Testing out a new bait that I've never used before, Sixth Sense. It's their version of a creature bait, the stroker crawl. It's black, purple, and blue. Kind of excited about it. Let's take a look here, see what it looks like. Pretty good looking bait. If we can't fix it up here. Looks all right. It has a kind of a gumball smell to it, slightly. Let's go black side up. And this is the 3.5 inch, oh I'm sorry, 3.3. So slightly over 3 inch. I'm a huge fan of the Christie crawl. I'm also a huge fan of the Bandito bug. Yeah, this looks pretty good in the water. Oh yeah, that looks all right. All right. So many trees down. That is a huge pile of mess. I'm not sure if you can really see how big that actually is. I didn't really do an intro for this video. Oh, my phone. The fishing has been terrible. I mean, terrible. I'm not seeing any activity in the water. I'm not catching anything. I caught 2 smallmouth bass way up in the rapids. They were tiny, but that's it. I don't even see any life in the water. tiny guy. Smallmouth. Easy, fella. Easy. Easy. Ugh. Smallmouth. Let's go. Yay, I caught a fish. Yay. That was weird. I think that was a small fish. Bananas. I made it. Sheesh. I can already tell that has flipped a lot of people. There's probably like a lot of cell phones and card keys and all that stuff right here. Hammer slugging. Man, it is nice to catch a fish. Sheesh. Come here, you. It is good to see ya. It is good to see ya. Oh my gosh. Sorry, bud. I didn't know he was going to be like that. I didn't know. bud. Flick this up. Come here. That was a very, very, very angry smallmouth. A tank. Little tank. Nicest fish all day. Let's hope I can land it. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's be friends. Let's be friends. Yes. Oh my gosh, I actually caught a fish. Well, actually I've caught several fish today, but that's a nice fish for today. Thank you for playing the game, sir. Have a good life. Thank you for fighting. You are beautiful. You are special no matter what anybody says. Have an absolute monster on, and I have no idea what is going on. I don't know what this is. Daggum stud. Daggum stud. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Whoo! Easy, bud. Daggum stud. All right. Thank you for playing the game. That is a giant fish. Daggum giant. 3 pounds all day. Let's put it on the board. Let's put it on the board. I've actually never done this before. Let's play nice. Let's play nice. 16 inches. 16 inches. I'm sorry, the camera can't see that. 16 inches. All day 3 pounds. All day 3 pounds. He's a healthy horse. Healthy horse. Thank you for playing the game, sir. Thank you. All day long. That's the best fish of the day. Yes. That might be a walleye. It's fighting weird. It is a walleye. I knew it was fighting so weird. That's a giant. That's a freaking giant. Don't hook me. Don't hook me, bitch. Oh my God, a hook in my hand. Ouch. All right, you chill out, bro. Oh, you chill, fucking pig. Gosh. Bro. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put him on the board or not. Jeez. 18 inches. 18 inches. He's big. Oh my gosh. You have to go home. Get out away from me. You vicious creature. Oh, that was terrible. Stupid walleyes. Why do they put so many? That was like a 2-pound walleye, easy. Uh-oh, did you get splashed? Are you okay? Sorry guys, are you still with me? It's been a terrible day of fishing. I mean, I'm catching stuff now, but like I'm so tired. I've been here for like 5 hours. Now I'm like troll life, you know what I mean? Troll life. Whoo, walleye. Let's go. What is that? It's big. Whatever that is, it's giant. Giant fish. What do I have? Oh my gosh. Is it just the current? What is going on? Oh my gosh. This fish, man, he fought so hard. That's insane. It's the current. Yes, sir. Hello, Mr. Smallmouth. How are you? Easy, buddy. Very elongated fish. It's very long. Wow. All right. See ya, boss. Let's go. He was way out there. Fought so hard. Oh my gosh, I got hit again. There's a whole bunch of them out there. As soon as it hit the water, I got smashed again. I'm gonna wait and jump in my boat. Top gun, top gun. Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me. What was going on there? I really don't think that fish ever had the hook. Okay. Fish. Very strange. Just a small face. It's nice to catch you, sir. Thanks for playing the game. Small face. Mr. Rock Bass is making an appearance. Whoa. The goggle. Let's go. Let's go for the rock bass. How about you kiss my